In this video, we're going to look at finding what's called the GCF, or the greatest common factor between a couple or a few different numbers. This can be really helpful later on when we're talking about fractions and we're trying to find equivalent fractions and put fractions in lowest terms. But for now, again, we're just building our familiarity with factors and multiples, multiplication, division, making sure those basic facts are essentially memorized in our brain. So we're going to use our factor rainbows here. By all means, you can use your fantastic factors sheet if you have that. That'll make it easier as well. I don't believe in working harder. I believe in working smarter. However, I'm going to demonstrate here just because I don't have that in front of me and I want you to see it, how you can do it without that sheet. So factors of 4, always I start with 1 and 4, 2 and itself. So really we just have, for factors of 4, our factors are 1, 2, and 4. Now we'll do it for 10. Our factors of 10, 1 and 10, 2 and 5, 3 doesn't go into 10, can't take 4 evenly out of 10, and that brings us already to 5. So our factors for 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So now, as the question says, we're looking for the greatest common factor. So these are the factors we have for 4. These are the factors we have for 10. Let's circle the ones we have in common. 1, 1, 2, 2. That's it. And simply the greatest, the largest number is obviously 2. So our greatest common factor is 2. That's all it is. In this example, we're looking for the greatest common factor of 14 and 2. So I write 14, 14, my factors are 1 and 14, 2 and 7, 3 no, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, which brings us to 7. So that's it for 14. 1, 2, 7, 14. Factors for 2, we know this is a prime number, really straightforward, 1 and 2. 1, 2. Common factors, 1, 1, 2, 2. The greatest one, again, is 2. That's it. In this last example, they're asking us to find the GCF between 3 different numbers, but it's the same concept, just one more step of one extra number. Okay, factors for 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 no, 4 and 5. Boom, we know we've got them all because the other side of our rainbow has met this side for 5. Let's write those out down here. 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. I like to line them all up like this. It just makes it easier for you to see the common factors. Okay, 2 we know, super easy. 1 and 2, that's a straightforward one. So really you could stop there. I'm pretty sure 40 is going to have 2 as well, but it can't be any bigger because 2, the greatest one it could have is 2. I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to be. But let's go ahead just for fun. 41 and 40, 2 and 10, 3 no, 4, oops daisies, not 2 and 10, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, 6 no, 7 no, and now we're at 8. So its factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. The only factors all 3 of them have in common though are 1 and 2. So again, our greatest common factor is 2. I promise you sometimes it is bigger than that. We just keep getting in our examples 2 and it's limiting us. That's it for this section. Good luck.